Today's session is we discuss a little bit of this is training and event management. So in training and event management, whenever we go for the implementation of SAP project, simply we should understand how many types of training are to be conducted into the company. We have to take the list. Each and every training is known as business event type. And if you can group them, whatever the name you are going to give for the group is called business event group. That we have discussed yesterday. Okay. After that, how a training is conducted. How a training, that means for what duration of period. Is it for 1 week, or is it for 1 month, or it is for 2 months? So this duration of the program is called schedules. Okay? These schedules we have to create. So every schedule will have certain segments. Say for example, 1 week training is a schedule. Day segment. First day how many hours, second day how many hours, third day how many hours, fourth day how many hours is called the day segment. So after that, the resources. If you want to conduct any kind of training in the company, what are the resources which are needed, like instructor, trainer, computer, projector, and any cost element which we need. It's called resources. Then in which location the training is going to be conducted. So these are the things a functional consultant has to know from the client side people. Okay. After this, we have to customize. Up to here we have discussed here. Now the training and event management part is SPRO, ING, training and event management. This is the direct part. Training and event management part, SPRO, ING, training and event management is the direct part. That I will show here. Coming to ING here. This is very simple. This is ING. Directly can transfer the training and event management. Here. Now the first step is define cost items. So define cost items part is SPRO, ING, M. That means training and event management. Okay. After that, business event preparation. Then click on define cost items. Okay. Here, before this, we have to check so many things. It's only for the checking purpose, but we won't create anything here. So what are the prerequisite customizations will be by default we have to set up here. Before this, we can set up many things. Here. Under basic settings, under integration, first we have to integrate with MM people, material management. Here why I am skipping, because in real-time scenario this we have to perform. There is an integration class also. We have an integration class between HR and MM, HR and PP, HR and SD, HR and FI. So that is the reason I am skipping right now. Very simple here. If you click on here, so everything we have to customize here. This we will discuss in the at the time of the integration. We have a class on the integration. So here directly business event preparation. Here define cost items. So define cost items part is training and event management, business event preparation, define cost item. Here, what is mean by cost item? If you want to conduct a training in the company or in your organization, what are the cost items which you need? The client people will give you. So they you have to create in the system. Click on here, like computer, projector, C, infrastructure C, or anything you can cost item here. Cost item. So go to new entry. We want to create one or two cost items. What is the process? How to create them? Click on here. Here. Cost item. I am putting here RAHU here. I am putting here projector. If you want to conduct a computer training, you need a projector. Or if you want to conduct a person development class, you need a projector. If you want to purchase or if you want to take a rent or a lease, what proposed amount is going to be incurred for the project? This is an approximate. It's not exact amount. So we have to enter. I am putting here 5,000 USD dollars. Start date, as I told you, it's always company foundation day. End date is always 31/12/999. Next. It is. Is it for every attendee or for time unit? It is always for time unit. Time unit means it's for 7 days or it's for the total training session. 7 days training is 8,000. For 7 days training, if you want to use the projector, the proposed amount we have to pay, that is $5,000. Rahul, is it clear, please? Okay. After this, here we have to enter controlling area and cost element. Controlling area means every company, if they want to maintain the money transactions, so money transactions will be done by the GL account, general ledger account. If money goes outside or comes inside. So these general ledger accounts are controlled by certain area, certain people. That is called controlling area. The controlling area and cost element both are created by FI. Because we never create controlling area and cost. That means whatever the cost which is going to be incurred to the training and event management, is it relevant for transfer? Definitely. Without the amount will be transferred to the FI to HR or HR to FR, there is no integration. So that is the reason integration is must. Here I am skipping, not relevant to transfer, but in real-time scenario, we have to enter controlling area and cost elements. Right now we don't have any controlling area or cost element. These two will be created by FI people. I am skipping here. Okay? Now, just save it. So what I have created? I have created a cost item, that is a projector. Save. Okay. Just next entry. If you want to create one more, very simple. RAHU instructor or trainer. So to conduct the training, we need a trainer. So trainer also is a cost element. Why? Because we have to pay certain money to the trainer. Suppose the amount for 7 days, assume that it is again $5,000. Start date and end date. Okay, this is not relevant. Okay, just save it. It's a problem only. In this way, we have to create many cost elements as per the client's requirement. Okay. Here, over. So what we have created, what are the cost items which we need for the training? Projector, computer, chairs, even refreshment, notebook, pencil, pen, or whatever you are going to provide, coffee, tea, or any drink. If you want to provide anything to the employees where they are in the training, we have to create each and everything. This is the cost item. Next, define time schedule. Time schedule means, this is the second one. It's over. Now define time schedule, part is A. Here, Time schedule means for what duration of period the training is going to be conducted. Is it for a 1 week training or 1 month training or 1 year training or 1 day training or 10 days training or 15 days training? So first we have to collect the data from the client side people. After collecting the data, we have to create all the schedules. Say for example, there are 10 types of schedules. 1 day training, 1. 10 days training, 2. 20 days training, 3. 1 month training, 4. 40 days training, 5. 6 months training, 6. 1 year training, like. If it is there, we have to create those much of schedules. Here I am creating only one time schedule. Once you know one, and you can create a number of here. Click on here. Let's go to new entry. Okay, here I am entering here RAHU 7. That means 1 week training. Press enter and save. I have created a schedule RAHU 7, that is 1 week training. Now, once we create a training, 7 days program training. Now for each and every day, there are certain segments. 1 day, how many hours? 2nd day, how many hours? 3rd day, how many hours? 6th, 5th, 7th day, how many hours? So that we have to click on segment. After creating this, the schedule, we have to click on day segment, which is left side. Click on here, just go to new entry. Enter RAHU, I am entering 5. Daily 5 hours training will be there, assume that. Start time, assume that morning 9 o'clock. So 9 to 12. So first session is 9 to 12, 1 hour break. So 3 hours. Next. 13 to 16. This is second session. If any third session is there, you can enter here. Okay. If I press enter, here total duration of a segment will come. I am pressing enter. You see, 5 hours. Okay. This is 7 days training. So every day there is a 5 days training is there. 5 hours training. This is called a segment. This is one scenario. In another scenario, say for example, in a training, first day only 2 hours training, last day only 2 hours training, rest of the days is 5 hours. If this is the case, I want to create one more thing here. RAH 2. Not 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 to 12. Let's enter. That is 2 hours. So how many segments are there in a particular training? We can create as per the client requirement. Okay. But we are taking only this, daily 5 hours. Or if you take this one also, you can take, no problem. Save and select the day segment. Click on day schedule. Now, here you have to enter the schedule, day schedule, what you have created. So transfer we have created Rahu 7. If you click on here, it will come, or if you know, just enter manually. Rahu 7. Just press enter. You see, 1 week training. So go to the entries. Here 1 week basis, you enter 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Assume that. 1 day, first day, is it a 2 hours training or 5 hours training? If you click on here, here you can see here. Rahu 2, 2 hours. Rahu 5, 5 hours. You can do. I am entering Rahu 2. Last day is also 2 hours. Rahu 2. The rest of the day is 5 hours. You can put it here. So based on the client requirement, we have to create so many segments. That's it. Press enter and save. Press enter, just save. This is the way creation of day segments and assigning to the time schedule. Come back. come back, come back. Next. One minute, please. Okay, Mr. Ravi. Rahul. Okay. Now we have to create a billing address. Here billing address means exactly what is the venue name where the training will be conducted. So we have to create the venue name is called the billing address. One minute, please. Okay. Here we have to create a billing address. So the part is written here. Same part. Same part means this is a part. Training and event management, basic event preparation, then create billing address. Click on here. Okay, click on here, just go to new. Give any code for the building address. Building address is nothing but a venue name where training is held. I'm entering Rahu. Name is, I'm putting here corporate office. Corporate office. What? Corporate office. Here any address supplement is there, you have to enter. House number, street name. Okay. House number, something, city. This is zip code. What I'm entering here, 12345. City, I'm putting here, New York. Country, yes. Region, NY. Any telephone number, any fax number. So, this way we have to create the training center, where exactly the training is to be held. Press enter and save. No. It's not in this name here. It's a part of Rahul ji. Can you repeat once again? Yeah. If they want to change again, that individual support team has to create the venue name. Yeah. Okay, if they won't have, you need not create the billing address. If they okay, if they can give the data, we have to create. If they can say it's not necessary, we need not customize anything. Okay? Because if they give the data, we have to map into SAP. Because most of the companies, they have certain schedules. Because training can be a week-based training, a training can be a 10 days training, 20 days training, 1 month training. Most of the cases. Or if not, assume that. Just like a training like the one day training, you have to create 1 day training, 10 days training, a week-based training, 1 month training. Most probably, the training will be like this. If they won't give any kind of data, don't customize anything. They won't go for the implementation of training and event management. So here, collect data in the sense, we have a class and ASAP methodology. In ASAP methodology, here what we have to discuss, whenever you go for the SAP implementation, how do we collect the data? There is a process. So first we have to prepare a questionnaire. Here, first we have to prepare a questionnaire and we have to give it to the client people. So they have to study the questionnaire and we have a workshop. Okay. In the workshop, we will ask them and they will give the information. Okay, that is the process. We have a class. After 3 or 4 sessions, we have a real-time scenario session, and the real-time scenarios means what is the landscape, what are the servers, and how the data will be transported from one client to another client, what is authorization, how do you collect the data from the client side, and how many documents you have to prepare. We have 2 to 3 sessions on this topic. Okay. Okay. Save and come back. Is it clear, please? This is a venue name. If they won't specify a new venue, say for example, they have only one corporate office, there is a very tight, and if they want to conduct any kind of training, they will send for different locations. If that is the case, don't create anything here. Okay? Authorization can be given to the end user so that they can create a billing record. Okay? Okay. Now, here in business event preparation, most of the things are created by end users. Most of the cases. If not, supporting will be there. Say for example, after 10 days you are going to conduct a training. So, how many days training it is, what is the venue, what is the cost, each and everything is known to HR department. So that this will be created by the support team. End users are entering the data, end users are using the product. If end users will get any kind of error, there will be a team or a desk or MI system or HIS system, human information system or a management information system. They will always support us. They will create it here. If they are not able, okay, end users will be given training as well as authorization so that they will create. But 90% of the cases, supporting will be there. The supporting will create the requirement of the client. Definitely supporting will be there. Right? Okay. Next, locations. So locations means in how many locations are you going to conduct training? Are you going to conduct training in New York or Texas or where you are going to conduct the training? You have to put the locations. Now again you can put a question. So it is not a specific location. As per the client's requirement, they can conduct the trainings in different locations. Okay, the company already they have certain experience. They have conduct training in different locations, and they may conduct training in the same locations. If that is the case, we have to create the location. Or if the locations are different, we need to create. And at the time of the implementation, at the time of the training, we have to create it here. Okay. So create location for the same. Create location, SPROIMT, business event preparation, location, click on create location. Click on here. Just go to new entries. Go to create. Yeah. Yeah, but actually that will be stored in one table. This specific location, say for example, in how many locations are going to conduct certain training, say for example, New York. In New York, we can create so many venues. So that is the reason we have to create a location. Now go to create. Here you have to enter the location name. I am entering here. Rahu NY. New York. Okay, here. Now New York, here we have to enter a calendar ID. What is the calendar ID here? What is the factory calendar we have created? We have created the factory. Atlanta, Singapore, RU factory calendar. I think RH. I think RH factory calendar. Okay, RH. Location currency USD. Language English. The center. Address. In here, where is the address? Enter something. Okay, it's not mandatory. The center. Country indication. The center. Save. Next. Once we create location, we have to create the organizers. In organizers, what we have created? Here we have to create company. Here the company is created by FI people. So it is not reflect. It won't reflect in training and event management. So once again, you have to create the company here. Okay, go to the company. Go to new entry. Taking a lot of time here. Here you have to enter the company name, that's RGB, alias group of businesses. Okay, address. What address you have specified? There. FI people have mentioned something. I'm entering the dummy data here. Country is in US. Region is put NY. Just enter save. Now this is important. This is not important. It's not mandatory also. Here, create organizational unit. Here. Who will conduct training in real-time scenario? Definitely HR department. This is Rahulji. Okay. Now, which organizational unit in which what employee is going to conduct the training in the company? So whatever the organizational unit, that is main organizational unit, sub-organizational unit, what we have given, here we can see here. Click on here. Okay, validity period is always starting date 01/01/2000, ending date is always 31/12/9999 here. So whatever the organized structure which we have created, we can check up here whether it is there or not. Okay, click on here. Search term. That is RGB, I think. What? RGB is not here. Okay. Why it's not coming, I will tell you. This is a public property. Now the server is a public property. Everybody can use and they are here. Actually, these settings are there. In plan versions, you need not do. We always use only current plan version. Somebody has changed. We always put only current plan version. Okay. Okay. If that is the case, you do one thing. I will tell you the key code. Enter OOAP in command field. OOAP. I am doing here. Look here. OO always. Whenever you log on to system, enter OOAP in command field. Press enter. Okay. Now, all the switches, as I told you that, all the switches between all the integrations between one submodule to another submodule, whether the switch is on or off. Here we can see here in P77H0 table actually. Here we have to enter always, you have to check up whether 01 is there or not, you have to check up here. Then only you will get your customization. Or else if you run payroll, system will take you runtime error. Okay. First you have to maintain this, whether 01 is there or not. The T code is OOAP. Now you can see. In the same system? One minute. So tell me the company root organization name. RAHUL. To do one thing, be sure that whether have it created in this 01 current plan or not. Check it once again. Again you have to create, and before you create any organization structure, be sure that whether you are working in 01 plant or not. What is that? IMC. INN. Right? E. EDINC. Okay. It's also there. It's also not there. It is there because it is in different plans. So whenever you create any organization structure, be sure that first you go there, here, enter a T code OAP, here whether one is there or not, then you create, and whenever if you want to see, again come here, see whether 01 is there, then you can see here. Right? Okay. Good. Now, what we are creating? Now we will get this create company. Sorry. Organization, we will get it here. Click on here. Get search term. Enter RGB. My God. Search term. RGB. Now let us see. Check up. RGB is not there. My God. I think somebody has deleted the data. Okay, nothing to worry. Let us see. Once again, check up here. Only these data is available here. No data is only 14 entries. Only 14 entries. HR Del 1, Del Finance, MX, HR only. Somebody, one net. Why is happening here? Let us see. TPOC underscore old. Settings. Active plan version. Settings, plan version. Okay. Plan version. Whenever you create anything here, you can see here, plan version 01 current plan is there or not here. You have to set up here. Here, what size now? I'm sure that it is already, yeah, now it is coming. Okay. Now Rahul, tell me you have created something? Mr. Rahulji? Hello? Hello, Rahul ji. Hello? Mr. Rahul? Hello? 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 Yeah, Mr. Rahul, is it your problem? But here everything is good. Hello? Hello? మధ్యలో కట్ అయిపోయింది ఫాల్ట్ వాళ్ళదా మనదా మరి మన ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు హలో అనేబుల్ కనెక్ట్ అంటుంది అంటే అక్కడ ఏమైనా పవర్ పోవడం అలాంటివి జరుగుతుంది ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది మనకి ఇదేనా ఓకే క్లియర్ కదా ఆఫ్లైన్ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అంతే కదా శంకర్ గారు రాహుల్ అవును ఇప్పుడు మీనాల్ కాల్ చేసిందా మీకు మీనాల్ చిదంబరం కాల్ చేసిందా సిస్టమ్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే మెయిల్ పెట్టి మీరు ఒకసారి వాళ్ళని అప్రోచ్ కావాలని చెప్పాను టెక్నికల్ సపోర్ట్ అని చెప్తాను వచ్చిందా సిస్టమ్ పనిచేస్తలేదు పర్లేదు ఆమె నాకు ఏం చెప్తాను అంతే ఒకసారి కాల్ పెట్టండి Yeah, Rahul. Yeah, I could expect it here. Nothing to worry. Okay, one minute, please. Okay. Shankar? Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. Nothing to worry. Okay, it's common. It's a technical problem. Okay. Yeah, we will get it here. Nothing to worry. Okay, is it clear? Now, can you see the desktop? I think you can. Okay? Okay. Here I will show that what I have told you. Here. Just click on here. Okay, you will come here. Here. Click on search term. Enter RGB. If you press enter, you will come here. So double click on Reliance. Here our root organization, it will come here. So here what we have to do, here we have to check up whether our organizational unit which is created in simple maintenance is in organized staffing or not. This is only the thing which we have to do here. Okay, next. Over. Now here this create business event group. Business event group in the sense group of trainings, we can collect them and give a group name that is called create business event group. Okay, here. This one. So what? Now 7th step I am putting here. This is create business event group. Okay. Just I write down the path here. Path is SPRO IMG, then TEM, training and event management, then business event preparation. Okay, business event preparation. After business event preparation, we have to click on click on business event group. Click on create business event group. Here we have to create it here. Very simple. Go to create. Here you have to enter RAHUSAP SAP training. Okay, in here. So here write down the SAP training description. SAP training is an ERP training. What are the text you want to write? You can write down here. Okay. The relationship. These are 4 tabs that click on relationship. Okay. Now belongs to course group. If you click on here, this course group is predefined. Okay. SAP training and training, new hire, HCM. If you want to add anything, you can add it here. It's always predefined. I am putting here. Again, it is SAP training. If you want to put it here, you can put it here. But it's not mandatory. Just you can save it here. Only we have to create the course group name, that is SAP training, and come back. Now, this is important. Create business event type. Under SAP training, we may have HR, FI, SD, different event types are there, so that we have to create many types. So the next step is create business event type. This is the 8th step. Okay. Same part. So create business event type. Click on here. Go to new create or F5. Here we have to, this will take must. Now, system is asking, what is the delivery method? It's a classroom training, or a web-based training, or online test, or external web-based training, or external classroom training. What type of training your company are going to conduct? So, assume that classroom training. Now, here you have to put abbreviation. RAHUHR. SAP HR training. Now, SAP HR training, this is the delivery method, 001. Now the description. Here you write the description. You can put right like SAP HR training. Okay, ERP training. SAP HR training is part of SAP training. You can put something. Now, what does SAP HR training is going to cover? Click on course content. Here you write down here. SAP HR OM, CA, payroll, time, PD, benefits. These are the contents. Next. Apart from this, notes. If you want to write any notes, SAP HR, enterprise structure, company, put something you write down here. After this, click on main schedule model. Main schedule model in the sense, how many days? If it is pre-defined, always SAP HR training is 1 week training. If it is fixed, okay, SAP HR training here schedule. What schedule we have created? Rahu H7. This REH7. Okay, is it undefined or Monday, Tuesday? How it is going to start it? Undefined. It can be started on any day. Okay, is it a multiple dates or multiple days? Or if it's not multiple days, you won't select it here. Next. Then capacity. If you want to conduct the training for SAP HR, what is the minimum number of trainees are required, maximum number or common number? This is minimum the company people will give here. I'm entering 10. This is 15. This is 30. Now prices. If you want to conduct the SAP HR training here, if it's internal, what amount is proposed? I'm putting here USD. External, again I'm putting here USD. If a training within the organization or other than the organization, what cost is going to be proposed? Assume that this is the amount. Rahul. Next, course type information. Course type information says attendee with integration, no integration. Definitely integration will be there. Without an attendee, there is no training. So, including a brochure or no intranet is there, you can use it here. Or brochure. And whatever the thing is here, you can select. Most of the cases won't select anything here. Here you have to enter minimum attendance is 80%. An employee, if he is, whose attendance is more than 80%, are eligible for this training. Next, relationships. Here. This SAP HR training belongs to what is the course group. Okay, click on here. Already we have created Rahu SAP. That will come. It's a part of this. Same. Now, who is the person who is going to conduct the training? Okay, you have to put the person name. I want to enter your name. Here, payroll area is RA. All the employees will come. You can choose any one of them. I'm choosing you. He's a responsible person. Okay? Everything we have to maintain in real-time scenario. Here. Now, here is organized by what organized unit? What company? What organized unit we have? Or organized unit? What is our organized unit? HR department. So what is the number of HR department we have to know? There are a number of HR departments are there. We will check it here. One let I will show here. How to go there? Go to SAP ISU Access. Go to PPOM _ all. For RGB will come here. This is Azure corporate office. This is the number 5005102. This is 102. 102. Five 102. 5605102. It's not here. Wait a minute. What name we have given? We have given RGPC. Okay, nothing to worry. RGPC. What will come? RGPC. It will come. Because duplication of SAP is integration. If integration is not coming, no use by SAP product. Okay, any contact person, anything you can create is here. But important thing is here, don't forget to create this code group. Next, validity period. So validity period, this in real-time scenario nobody is maintaining here. So validity period in the sense, if you want to conduct a training of SAP HR, after how many years or months, again they need a training, that is called depreciation skill. So in HR, there is a PD, personal development, there is a depreciation skill is there. I am putting here 2 years and 6 months. Again the employees who are training now, and they can get a training after 2 years and 6 months. This is my assumption, but in real time scenario it can be anything. Next, further information here. Course demand. Course demand in the sense, now we are going to conduct a training in the month of October. But first of all we should know, is there any other course is being conducted? So that is the reason, course demand we have to know. Click on here, click on create, we have to know. Here period. This SAP HR training is going to be held first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. I am adding third quarter. Location, where the training is going to be held, RAHUNY. Here. What we have created? Location we have created? RAH. Our data is not updated because the server is slow, because it has to come actually, but we want to take something like New York, wherever the New York is there. Not the New York we want to take there, nothing to worry. Language, but ours has to come here. Language is English. The demand is 1. In the third quarter, we are going to conduct only 1 training. If you want to enter, two trainings are there. This is a demand. This is the Australia interview. Rahul. Save. (01/01/2009). Okay, save it. Why is it taking (01/01/2009)? Start date corrected. So the minimum date, hello, 22. Nothing to worry, that's okay, okay. Change for transfer. This is one thing. Next, procedure. What is the procedure of SAP HR training? Click on here. Okay. Here, first we have to create attendances. Here, we want to take person. Booking administration here. Okay, error message, and what type of error message you want to? Always it is W. Okay, here always it is W. Checking process always W. Checking person is also W. And we have check qualification and related data of the this and this. Now what I am telling to the system, the procedure, if an employee or attendee will participate in any kind of training, what type of message you need? I want only warning. The sentence says. It is for the person. In the same way, we have to choose for applicant, company, contact person, organization, each and everything we have to take. Press enter and save. The cost, if you want to prepare cost item, what is cost item we have created? We have created a Rahul projector. Okay, this is 5,000. And what we have created? Projector and as well as I think we have created instructor also. Instructor. For instructor, what amount we are going to pay? Like this. Everything will come here. Save. Now, after this, web link. If you are going to conduct a training into your company, that information you have to put into your company web link. Rahul. Here you have to create web link. Here I am putting here Rahul, www.rahul.net. Save it here. Okay, here. If I click on here, you see, communication rahul.net, something will come. And how many web links are there related to Rahul, everything will come here. In real-time scenario, really, SAP product is a wonderful product. Just enter, immediately it has to come. From SAP itself, you can do any kind of business. You need not go for other web links. From SAP itself, you can do, we can watch a movie also. And we can watch a cricket match also. We can see what is happening in the world. Everything is possible here. Okay, save. Now web link, knowledge link. Any knowledge link is there. If employee wants to get certain information, there is a link. Okay, name of the object if you want. But in real-time scenario, there is not there. But we have to develop certain programs. Then only it will come here. Here, knowledge link. What type of link you need? Say for example, solution manager. Documentation, file system, whatever thing. This is created by basis people and other people. Say for example, SAP. Certain document, this is like a library. Certain documentations are interlinked with the training. Here it is not coming here because communication is RFC. RFC means remote function call. Remote function call means you need a document. The document is in somewhere in some link or in some application. If you want to link this application to another application, this is done by the ABAP. We have to give a link that is called RFC. RFC means remote function call. Here, this is an IDES version. It is not linked to that particular application. So here, change knowledge link in the sense SAP AG is there. It is one more application. If you are linking to SAP AG which contains plenty of material, plenty of data. So if you want to create those, here we can create it here through RFC, that is remote function call. So I am skipping this. Workflow settings done by the ABAP. Learning portal control, this is nothing but LSO, this is web enable application. Collaboration room, this we can create it here. Follow-up activities, anything you have to create it here. Save. Come back. Now, whatever or what we have created, if you want to see, here you can see here. Maintain master data via catalog. Here we can see here. This is the 9th step. Same path. If you click on here, you can see the output, what you have created. Here, Ravi, overseas. Our data is not updated, so this is the server problem. It has to develop. It will come tomorrow, not today. Okay, 1 minute we want to see. It has to come. Everything has to come by default only. It should not take much time. Here, Ravi SAP has come, but our has also come. Okay, this is okay. Okay, one more thing here. I want to create one more thing, whether it has to come or not. So once system just slow down, it will happen. Okay, nothing to worry. 10, 15, 20, certain amount. Okay, source of information, relationship. Here I want to enter only Madhu. Just save it. No, this is only server problem. It has to update, but it's not coming here. Nothing to worry. Here it will come like this. Whatever we have created, it will come here one by one here. Okay. So tomorrow I will show here. It has to come. Up to here, we have to customize as a functional consultant. After this, end user point of view. End user point of view, what we have to do, I will show. PSV2 is a P code. Business event menu. What is the menu? How many business groups have we created? How many business event types have we created? How many locations have we created? How many rooms have we created? Each and everything we can see here. So a transaction code is PSV2. Here enter PSV2. Because our is not updated. So if it's not updated, we can create also. How to create, I will tell you. Select any one of them, right click. Why ours is not coming here? Here also it has to come. Okay. Right click. One minute. Let us see if once I shut down the system, if I will get, you will get, or else we'll discuss it tomorrow. It has to come. Ours has not come. There is a problem in the system. It will come. It has to come. So if you click on here, we can see. And what we have created, this everything you have to get it here. This is immediate point of view. This thing here. This is one thing. One T code. Second T code is, and most of the cases we use only these T codes. After this, here, these are the T codes. For reports we have to, if you want to see business event prices, say for example, this is the T code we have to use. Okay, I have to enter this. Enter in command field or double click on here. Automatically you have to get it here. Business event prices. Here you have to enter business event group. What is our business event group? Or event type. So event type it is RAHEU HR. Okay, if you click on here, select here, click on execute. that amount. It has to come. Now you see, it is updated. That was not updated. That is a system problem only. Okay, this is a report. You can send it to your boss. Who will do? This is done by the ABAP. Sorry, end user. If you want to see, say for example, one more thing like event demand. Say for event demand. Click on here. Here again select event business type. Okay, REHU HR. Select here. Click on what is the demand. Click on execute. Validity date. Okay, okay. I'm selecting only quarter because we have selected only quarter. Validity date. Yeah, I entered only, system. REHU HR. Yeah, this date is 23rd. Okay. So only I'll just write to annual demand for it's okay. We are entering only quarter. Let us see. There is no option to put the date. It's not the way. No, it's not like that actually. It has to come automatically. Yeah, what you said is right, but it has to come automatically. Because once you default 2009 year, once you do it has to come by default. Reports are coming, but the particular thing is not coming. Okay, this is New York. Here demands are 3 quarters. Yeah, calendar year for 2009. It has to come by default only. So these are the reports on training and event management. But everything is coming. Only this is not coming. What is not coming here? This has to come. TSB2 has to come. It's not coming. I think it will be updated. It will take certain time. Okay, today I want to stop. This is about training and event management. Tomorrow we have a class on reports. Okay, I want to stop here.